Hey guys, this is the review family, and today I am going to review this dog bed that we got our dog a week or two ago. Our dog loves it. She's a little pug. I know this bed is way too big for her, but she loves a lot of space. She gets annoyed if she is compact in one little tiny space. So, of course, we love spoiling her and we got her this bed. And she loves it. There is one thing though that I think you should know before you buy it, and I'm gonna be talking about it by the end of this video. So the quality is really good. The material is thick, okay? As you can see, it still has wrinkles on the fabric, even though we've been using this for a while now, but it's because the fabric is thick, so you know this is gonna be durable. So the outside, the fabric is thick, but on the inside, as you can see, it's super fluffy and soft. You know, she can lay her face on this, no problem. I love the material on the inside. It's breathable, it's very soft, but not too soft. You know, I feel like it's perfect. This is memory foam. It's pretty solid, you know. My dog seems to really like this one compared to her other beds, which is good. And I didn't mention, but we got the large size. It's pretty big, as you can see. One of the things that I really like about this dog bed is that you can remove this cover to wash it. So they have a zipper on the inside for you to remove the cushion around it. And they also, let me show you, they have a zipper on the back for you to be able to remove the memory foam and wash the middle as well. So you can wash this whole thing, you know, you can always keep this dog bed clean. Now let's talk about the one thing I said that I think you should know before you buy it. First, it's a little hard to put the little mattress, whatever this is, like the foam, not a mattress, the foam inside. So right here is the zipper. It's very tight. It took me a while to put it inside, so it's gonna be a little bit hard for you to remove it anytime you have to wash it. And the other thing is, so this is memory foam, so it can get a little bit tough. So maybe your dog won't like it because, you know, it's solid, but some dogs like it. Like my dog, she prefers when it's more firm like this. So you should definitely test it out. But overall, this is a great dog bed.